Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Madhumita aka Medico Madhu. There is like a lot of discussion about diabetes. Half of it is a myth and half are the facts that people talk about. Today I'm going to give you 5 facts about diabetes. Fact number 1. Not all type of diabetes require treatment. So when I say this, we have to understand what are the different types of diabetes that exist. Type 1 diabetes, people know about it because insulin is commonly used and people are aware of it. Here there is lack of insulin, so you get treated with insulin. Type 2 is the most common type where we give you medication. Half of it is our doing. As long as we follow a healthy lifestyle, we can keep this type under control. The type where we do not require medication is one subset of modified onset diabetes in young. So in this one variant, you will not be requiring medication because your sugar levels are going to be slightly higher than the normal, but never touches the range of complication. So you don't need any medications. Whereas other subsets of maturity onset diabetes in young would most of the time require just one medication. There are other types of diabetes as well, like latent autoimmune diabetes in adults, commonly called as LADA. We have pancreatitis resulting in diabetes. So there are various other causes of diabetes as well. Fact number 2. Diabetes is predominantly seen more in men as compared to women. We don't know the exact reason as to why it has preference towards men, but most probable hypotheses that have been put forward are it could be because of their lifestyle, sedentary habits, because they have to work for a long time sitting, or it could be because of the stress that they are taking, or the habits like smoking, alcohol, not sleeping properly in the night time, etc. But with the current scenario where men and women are equally responsible financially and working hard to make the ends meet, maybe the scenario would change, the future will tell us. Fact number 3. If you had diabetes when you were pregnant, unfortunately, you do have a risk of developing it later on. So, in this, about one third or 30% of people who had diabetes during their pregnancy do develop diabetes later on. Simple measures can help you prevent this. Regular physical activity, eating the right amount of food and the right type of food, exercising regularly, keeping yourself stress free, having good quality sleep. All these things will help you prevent diabetes. Fact number 4. Diabetes is reversible or not? Well, to be very honest, you can prevent diabetes, you can control diabetes, but you cannot reverse diabetes. So, what do I mean by prevent diabetes and control diabetes? I haven't developed diabetes yet, but I follow healthy lifestyle. I eat only the right type of food. I eat the right quantity of food. I exercise regularly, manage my stress well, sleep properly. Then I'm trying to prevent developing diabetes. Now that I have become a diabetic, here I can control it with these lifestyle changes and with one or two medications as and when required prescribed by my doctor. So I can easily prevent or control diabetes, but I cannot reverse whatever has happened already. Fact number 5. Diabetes is not a single disease. It can be a part of syndrome. So majority of the time, if you're a type 1 diabetic, your doctor would have asked you to check for your thyroid profile, would have checked your skin, etc. Yes, autoimmune diabetes can also manifest as psoriasis. You can have a thyroid disorder and the list goes on. So when your doctor asks for an extra test, please understand that he is suspecting that it is a part of the syndrome where the treatment would vary. I hope this video was informative for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll meet you again with more interesting facts.